What time is everything coming through? What do we need to watch out for tonight?
Yeah, I think the main time frame for severe weather tonight will be between 9 p.m. tonight and through about 6 o'clock in the morning Friday, although it may end a bit sooner than that depending on how fast and when the line of thunderstorms develops. But in terms of the overall tornado probability, it increases the farther north and east you go across the area. So highlighted in yellow, it's about a 10% chance of seeing a tornado in places like Linden, Jefferson, Marshall, or City, Pittsburgh, Mount Pleasant, and Dangerfield, and then that threat slowly decreases the farther south and west you go across the area. All of us fair game, though, to see at least some damaging wind gusts, straight line winds in excess of 60 miles per hour, because even if we don't get isolated supercell development that would be responsible for more tornadoes, we will at least get a line of thunderstorms developing, which most of us will see. Not everyone sees severe weather out of it, but most of us will at least see a passing thunderstorm heading into tonight. Now, over the next 7 days, temperature-wise, it's only down from here after being in the upper 60s and low 70s. It's going to turn a lot colder on our Friday, but this is not the Arctic blast that we've been talking about. We're back up to the mid-50s on Saturday. The Arctic blast arrives next week when we see those high temperatures only in the 20s and 30s and morning lows into the teens, and maybe a few spots with morning lows in the single digits out there, depending on how much wintry precipitation we see. We'll finally moderate a bit into Wednesday, but some of us will get above freezing Tuesday afternoon, but all of us will get above freezing by the day on Wednesday. So it's about 48 to 72 hours of a freeze out there, which is a lot shorter than the February 2021 freeze, so we don't have to worry about anything like that. This will be more comparable to what we saw in December of 2022, right before Christmas, when we saw a prolonged freeze. But in terms of any wintry precipitation potential, we're looking at this point, wintry mix is likely. So we're likely to see some type of wintry precipitation. Now, what still remains to be seen is what kind of impacts this will have, and that will all depend on how much dry air is in place already, how warm the road temperatures are, how much wind we'll have, and things like that. If it's windy out and there's freezing rain, yeah, it's still going to accumulate on tree branches, but not as easily as if winds are still. So that's something we'll be watching for. A lot of variables in play, but at this point, I'm confident enough to say that we will at least see some wintry precipitation late Sunday into early Monday in the form of freezing rain, sleet, and even some snow. So here's a look at what Futurecast has with these next couple of storm systems. Here's tonight's storm system. You can see by 4 or 5 o'clock, the heaviest of the rain is moving through the northeast corner of our area. A few snow showers will lift north of our area into Arkansas, and then all eyes on the system heading into the day on Sunday. Again, this is a very early look at Futurecast, but you can see some light precipitation. It's highlighted by the very faint greens and the pinks there, indicating that potential for some sleet and a freezing rain. We'll see if any of that can intensify. If it does so, then there may be accumulations. If it stays just light, though, we'll just see pretty skies out there, and that's pretty much it. But as you can see, there's not a whole lot of moisture associated with this. It's not an organized kind of full storm system here, but certainly freezing precipitation is a possibility as we head into late Sunday into early Monday. Here's a look at your forecast for today. Nothing like that today as we climb into the low 70s. It will be increasingly breezy, though, throughout the day. And then for tonight, we'll drop down to the upper 30s. Now, we get cold after the storms exit the area, but it does turn cold and windy for our day on Friday. And then we are expecting that Arctic freeze as we head into next week, with morning lows in the teens and a hard freeze expected by Tuesday morning. For your latest weather forecast, you can head on over to our website.